Good morning, Zorbit's fans. Matt Murphy here from Zorbit's Math Adventure, working from home because our office is going remote, much like many schools and districts across North America, to help curb the spread of this COVID-19 pandemic. I wanted to share some tips and tricks on how you can use Zorbit's Math Adventure to help prevent losing too much time and to keep rich math learning going on while we're at home. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that your students actually have access to Zorbit's Math Adventure at home. If your class isn't already set up, well, that's the first step. We're going to need to create some student accounts. Once you've got all of your students in there, parent letters contain the information on how to access the game at home with each student's login information. This will get them into the game and developing those conceptual understandings of various math concepts through the rich challenges that they'll encounter with Zorbit and his crew. However, the Zorbit's universe is a big place covering curriculum objectives from kindergarten to grade 3. So to guide students in the right direction, you'll want to configure your game controls, which helps guide the students' in-game experience. We can turn planets on and off or galaxies on and off and focus them on the concepts that we want them focusing on. These changes take effect in real time, so you can keep your curriculum plan on track even when your kiddos are at home. One final tip is to use that assignments tool. You may wish to send a note home to parents telling them that there's going to be a new mission waiting for their kids every couple of days or once a week or however you want to do it. So to log in regularly to see what's new and what's waiting for them. The assignments allow you to zero in on specific math concepts and help you obtain a clear understanding of who's participating, first of all, in these challenges and how they're doing on them. As this data rolls in, it can inform what your next mission could be. Maybe you'll want to make another one of the same concept to solidify their understanding, or maybe you'll want to develop some foundational skills to support those struggling learners, or maybe you want to just move on to the next topic. Maybe you want to do all three and assign different assignments to different groups of students based on their level of proficiency. Now, the important thing is to stay healthy, but these tips can help your kiddos continue to develop their conceptual understanding in mathematics while they're at home. Thank you so much for watching.